Hey, mi familia. Check out this running video right now that I posted at a 124 scale and a little bit of FYI mod on the weights and the wheels. Peace. This is with the weighted wheels, SCX24 Deadbolt. Yeah, that's gonna be a tough spot to get through. Recover. Nope, sorry. I had to recover it by hand. Come on, little guy. There we go. So the modded weighted wheels with the lead weights inside the rim seems to be working really good, as you guys can see. Really well. Now it doesn't help. These tires seem to be squishy and grippy, but there's no foam, and even though I took some air out when I sealed it, it still seems to be stiff. Come on, baby. There you go. Find a way. There you go. Nice. I really like the flex on this thing. It's just that I don't like it. What do they call these kind of shocks? They don't have any dampening. I'm gonna try to fix that too. But remember too, when you do this mod, when you add weight to the tires, you can put more strain to the drivetrain and more strain to the motor. I noticed the motor is getting a little more hotter than normal. And I'm not doing no temp gun because I do it by feel. But as you can see, it's crawling had it gotten way better due to the mod. I just love the flex on this thing. Just wish it wasn't so bouncy. I don't want to bound it up and then burn out this motor. I just got this thing. But hey, that's what we're supposed to do, right? Test these toys out. Sorry, they're not toys. Oh, that's gonna be a challenge. Why do I smell dog poop? Ah, dang dog. Abram, Calm down, boy. Stop chasing flies. Look like you're on crack. Good boy. Relax. Oh, say it ain't so, Ridgeline. We'll just call it was an earthquake shook him down. Okay, guys? It was a 6.6 on the Richter scale. Come on. Easy. Nice. Sometimes you have to kind of gun it a little bit. Come on, no. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Come on, guys. So nice. The servo. Oh, really, Ridgeline? The servo is okay, but it looks like it binds up too much. Can I save it this time? Saved it. We'll just leave it at that. Let's see if we can crawl up this spot. Got caught up on the diff. There we go. Come on. Come on, little guy. I like this deadbolt. I'm gonna get me the 1/10 deadbolt. I don't have that one. Usually everybody starts out with the deadbolt. Not Ridgeline. Started out with the CRC, a little Jeep Unicorn. The diffs caught up on the diff, so just try to ride this edge right here. There we go. Come on, no. It's not enough. Probably running over on minutes on this video, but I'm trying to show you guys. This thing is a pretty, whoa, what's going on there? I'm getting bound up, that's what's going on. I should just gun it, huh? What do you guys say? Gun it? Send it? Oh, couldn't send it. Didn't have enough power. It's brushed. Oh! Did you guys see that? What? See if I can make it up that. Come on. Whoa. Come on. Oh, yes, Ridgeline. Alright, mi familia. You've seen how it goes. This little 124 scale is very capable rig. You can actually have fun with it, especially with the little ones. So yeah, I'm gonna do some more tuning, some more with this. This is pretty fun, this little thing. So stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, peace. Alright, mi familia, final thoughts about this 124th deadbolt scale, 124 scale deadbolt. So I really like it. Personally, I think they could have done better on the motor. Okay, I really don't have much to say about the ESC / receiver. I think it's a pretty good setup. I mean, I can't complain. The servo is weak. I'm gonna change that out. It's very weak. It'll burn up. And if you notice that some of you guys have problems where all of a sudden your rig doesn't want to start up, check your guys' servo first, because the majority of the time the servo goes out, the vehicle stops. Nothing wants to work. It ain't the ESC, it ain't the motor, it's the servo that somehow discontinues everything. So yeah, I'm gonna look. The next mod I'm gonna do is something, I don't know, about these shocks. I was thinking of, you cannot put oil in them, okay, but you can take off the top. So you could fill up these caps. You can fill them up with something. So I'm thinking about grease. Back in the day, they used to fill them up, you know, with grease inside to give it a little bit more dampening. So yeah, think I'll do that one next with changing out the servo and changing out this motor. The motor seems to be holding up, but I don't like it's getting pretty warm because I added weights to the tires. But other than that, you've seen the capabilities. Tell me what you think. Send some comments. Would you guys buy one? I would. I'm actually going to buy a few more because there's hurting families out there, mi familia. I know a lot of the people out there in this world don't give a damn, but you know what? I do. I care. There's families that we know right now that fathers are not in the homes. Good men passed away from cancer, left babies left in the home. Babies, I mean literally babies. So, and I'm not trying to fill the daddy role shoes. I'm just trying to be a friend. I tell them to call me Uncle Tio Al, Tio Ridgeline. I don't know. We're really close. If anybody knows me, I'm an easy person to get along with. Just don't piss me off. Straight up. So, I'm gonna post in the background. Tune in. STP, Scale Truck Performance. I'm gonna be doing more videos. Just been kind of putting stuff together, getting ready for Axial Fest. So, I'll do a video on that one too after a little later on this evening probably. So tell me what you guys think. I like it. I really like it. I thought, man, this thing is too dang tiny. I'm not used to something that small. Well, I'm a grunt. I'm a grunt. Better ask somebody and give me something big. Shoot. And I just got into the bashing thing. We're gonna start doing that too. My sons are all hooked on to. They're all military too, and they're hooked. I'm glad because, man, they need an outlet. So tune in next time. STP Scale Truck Performance. Subscribe, like, and share. Please make sure to share. So.